Hello students, continue with chapter 5. Today our topic is exercise 5.1. We will discuss to find left hand limit, right hand limit and check continuity of a function at a point. So to understand this, let us solve some questions. Question 1. Fx equal to x square minus 4 upon x minus 2 at x not equal to 2 and fx equal to 4 at x equal to 2. Check continuity of fx at x equal to 2. Here, first we will find out limit. Limit x tends to 2, fx equal to limit x tends to 2, x square minus 4 upon x minus 2 equal to limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 into x plus 2 upon x minus 2 equal to limit x tends to 2, x plus 2 equal to 2 plus 2 equal to 4, and we are given f2 equal to 4. So here limit x tends to 2, fx equal to f2, therefore f is continuous at x equal to 2. Question number 2. Show that fx equal to 2x minus modulus x is continuous at x equal to 0. So first we will explain modulus function. Fx equal to 2x minus modulus x equal to 2x minus x if x greater than equal to 0 and 2x minus x if x less than 0. So fx equal to x if x greater than equal to 0 and 3x if x less than 0. Here it is clear f0 equal to 0. Now left hand limit x tends to 0 negative, fx equal to limit x tends to 0 negative, 3x equal to 3 into 0 equal to 0. Here 0 negative means less than 0. Now right hand limit x tends to 0 positive, fx equal to limit x tends to 0 positive x equal to 0. 0 positive means greater than 0. So it is clear limit x tends to 0 negative equal to limit x tends to 0 positive equal to f0. So f is continuous at x equal to 0. Question 3rd. If fx equal to 3ax plus b, x greater than 1, 11 at x equal to 1 and 5ax minus 2b at x less than 1 is continuous at x equal to 1, find the values of a and b. Here fx equal to 11 at x equal to 1, therefore f1 equal to 11. Now we will find left hand limit and right hand limit at x equal to 1. So left hand limit x tends to 1 negative, fx equal to limit x tends to 1 negative, 5ax minus 2b equal to 5a minus 2b. Right hand limit at x equal to 1, limit x tends to 1 positive, fx equal to limit x tends to 1 positive, 3ax plus b equal to 3a plus b. Since f is continuous at x equal to 1, so left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f1. 5a minus 2b equal to 3a plus b equal to 11. From here we get 5a minus 2b equal to 11 and 3a plus b equal to 11. Solving these equations for a and b, we get a equal to 3 and b equal to 2. Question 4. Find the value of k so that fx equal to k cos x upon pi minus 2x if x not equal to pi by 2, and 3 if x equal to pi by 2 is continuous at x equal to pi by 2. Now, let x equal to pi by 2 plus h. As x tends to pi by 2, h tends to 0. So, limit x tends to pi by 2 fx equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 k cos x upon pi minus 2x equal to limit h tends to 0 k cos pi by 2 plus h upon pi minus 2 into pi by 2 plus h. Here h is very small, tending to 0. Now limit h tends to 0 minus k sin h upon pi minus 2h, as cos of pi by 2 plus theta equal to minus sin theta. So limit h tends to 0 minus k sin h upon minus 2h, and this equal to k by 2. Limit h tends to 0 sin h upon h equal to k by 2 into 1 equal to k by 2. We know from class 11th, limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x equal to 1. So here f pi by 2 equal to 3 given. Function is continuous. Therefore, limit x tends to pi by 2 fx equal to f of pi by 2. K by 2 equal to 3. K equal to 6. Solving one more question. Show that fx equal to modulus x minus a upon x minus a when x not equal to a, and 1 at x equal to a is discontinuous at x equal to a. Here we know modulus x minus a is x minus a if x greater than a, and modulus x minus a equal to minus of x minus a if x less than a. So for x greater than a, fx equal to modulus x minus a upon x minus a equal to 1, and for x less than a, fx equal to modulus x minus a upon x minus a equal to minus of x minus a upon x minus a equal to minus 1. Now taking limit, left hand limit, limit x tends to a negative fx equal to limit x tends to a negative equal to minus 1. Right hand limit, limit x tends to a positive fx equal to 1. Here left hand limit not equal to right hand limit. This implies limit x tends to a fx does not exist, and therefore f is discontinuous at x equal to a. So this is all about continuity of a function at a point. So you will solve related questions of exercise 5.1.